Okay, now to finish this off and do this properly, this right here, sitting up on top, is the mass airflow sensor, and it's a perfect opportunity to give this a clean. Now, this is actually a new car for me, and I haven't had this one off and done it. So if you've got a rough running car, or certainly when you change your air cleaner, it's a great chance to pop this out and give it a clean. Now, you don't wipe it with a rag or anything like that. You have to have specialist cleaner. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put a link to the air cleaner here, but also a link to the specialist cleaner. But again, once you buy this, one tin, if you're the home guy doing this yourself, it's gonna last you literally years. Just lift that straight up. The little bit in question, if you look in there, is actually the bit that we're wanting to give a clean to. It detects the airflow and sends that message through to the car. Super important sensor, and definitely worth taking the time to clean. You don't touch it. There's only one thing you can clean it with, and that is specialist mass airflow sensor cleaner. Do not put degreaser on it. That'll put a film on it and wreck it. Don't put carby cleaner on it. That'll put a film on it and wreck it. It's just mass airflow cleaner is the only one that you can put on. So give this a spray and give it a clean up. See all that muck coming off there? This stuff is brilliant for cleaning things up, and it just dries. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it dries while it's at it as well. So do it from both sides, give it a spray on that side as well, then put him back in, and the more accurate readings, again, same thing, more power, more fuel economy.